Welcome to a showing of a bunch of different harps. These are owned by Mr. Deibel, and these harps are available at mastersofharmonica.com. But what are we showing today? We have Suzuki Fabulous 16-hole, Suzuki Fabulous 12-hole, Suzuki Sirius 14-hole, Hohner Super 64X, Hohner Super 64, SEYDEL SAXONY, SCX from Suzuki 16-hole. We have a PSARDO ELITE. We have a old style black and gold Hohner Super 64X, and we have a 270 from 22 years ago, and we have a Gregor Maret, the Sapphire harp. And if you want to know which one I like best, that's the last one I go over, and then at the end I'll play Cats, a little bit by Andrew Lloyd Webber. So let's get started. And what am I doing here? I'm just giving you my general impressions. Well, first of all, there isn't a bad harp here, but some of them are definitely better. This is the Suzuki Fabulous 16-holer. It has the Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece and the ERGO button, and this gorgeous leather case. If you're going to buy a harp from factory and you're going to play it dead stock, this is an absolutely phenomenal instrument. It has evenness throughout all the registers, brass comb, phosphor bronze reeds that I think are the best reeds they make. It's just just a gorgeous instrument. I'll give you a little taste here. Okay. Very even throughout the registers, dead airtight, just an absolutely superb instrument. 16-hole, Suzuki Fabulous, wonderful harp. Same harp here. This is the 12-hole. It's got tape on the bottom just to protect the bottom from scratching, but a little different in tone just because it's a little smaller. Beautiful, very wonderful to play. It's got the ERGO button, Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece. Just a super duper harp from factory. Now this next one, I used to play these. This is a Suzuki 14-hole. This one is the straight tuned harp. It had some customizations. The comb top was sanded flat. The mouthpiece was lapped into the comb to give a perfect fit of the slide. It has a slider on it, Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece slider, and it has the ERGO button. Nice harp, fast play too. Now, you notice a difference in tone. That's because these holes are much, much smaller than they would be on the cross-tuned harp, and you can hear, but it has a shorter throw on the slide. So, I mean, that's the plus. And 14 holes, you know, Will Gallison, that's one of his favorites. Now, let's say that you're a Hohner player and you want to play that new Super 64X. This one is that harp with an ERGO button and Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece slider, providing friction-free movement to new note hole positions. Harp stays clean. There's no saliva used anymore as lubrication, and you have relaxed embouchure. So it's a nice Hohner. Airtightened, customized. Lovely instrument. Lovely, lovely, lovely instrument. So there's your Hohner Super 64X. Comes in this nice kind of impact box with a screwdriver, which I like. Now this is actually a sleeper. This is a Super 64, not the Super 64X, customized with the ERGO button and the slider. Actually, it's got a lovely tone. nice harp, Super 64X. Now, the original customized harp I made, Little Punk, SEYDEL Saxony, dead airtight from factory. By the way, the Super 64 had been airtightened as well. This didn't need it because it's airtight from factory. It has the slider, it has the ERGO button, recreation of the original custom harp with the friction tape on the covers. This is Little Punk. Orchestra tuning, killer instrument. 5mm throw on the slide, easy to play, great harp. Next one up, one of my favorites from the past, Suzuki SCX for the buck, once customized. It's a winner with a slider and the ERGO button. Lot going for this harp. For the buck, a lot of instrument, customized, of course, air-tightened. Super nice harp. Well, PSARDO ELITE. This one's still being worked on. It's one I play. This is an unusual instrument. In terms of getting the most out of an individual note, these individual resonance chambers at the bottom mean a lot. It's a super harp. That is the PSARDO. So much to say about those. Best to look at a review, I think. Here's the older Super 64X from Hohner with a custom bumblebee button and the slider. Different tone. Lovely instrument. From yesteryear, Hohner 270 wood-combed harp, all rebuilt and customized, a square holed one with a ERGO button on it. It just doesn't have the punch of a modern instrument, but that's okay. And I said that I would bring out my favorite harp at the end and play for you. This is the Gregor Maret Sapphire, we call it, customized instrument, air-tightened, and it's got the ERGO button and the slider. I'll tell you what, this is such a lovely instrument. I love the darker reeds, the darker tone. It's a Gregor Maret, it's a signature harp from Suzuki. It's just a great harp, and I love playing it. I love the tone, and let's do cats. Now, a lot of you would just want to hear it, acoustically. So let's do that for you, okay? And with the mic and with the sound. And again, go to mastersofharmonica.com if you would like to take a look at all of the various ones with pictures and descriptions. They're available from Mr. Dybel, all customized super harps. I'll tell you what, they're all great. Very, very nice harps.